Verse 6, Indeed, those who disbelieve, it is all the same for them whether you warn them or do not warn them, they will not believe. Verse 7, Allah has set a seal upon their hearts and upon their hearing, and over their vision is a veil. And for them is a great punishment. Verse 8, And of the people are some who say, We believe in Allah and the last day, but they are not believers. Verse 9, They think to deceive Allah and those who believe, but they deceive and not accept themselves and perceive it not. Verse 10, In their hearts is disease, so Allah has increased their disease, and for them is a painful punishment because they, habitually, used to lie. Verse 11, And when it is said to them, Do not cause corruption on the earth, they say, We are but reformers. Verse 12, Unquestionably, it is they who are the corrupters, but they perceive it not. Verse 13, And when it is said to them, Believe as the people have believed, they say, Should we believe as the foolish have believed? Unquestionably, it is they who are the foolish, but they know it not. Verse 14, And when they meet those who believe, they say, We believe, but when they are alone with their evil ones, they say, Indeed, we are with you, we were only mockers.